Okay, no.
When you talking to my wife, bro, just zip your mouth.
Yeah, honestly, he needs to be fired because if he did this to me, he could do it to any other woman that's in this residence. He made me feel very uncomfortable. You're weird and you're a creep.
Hello, welcome to Reactions and Reviews. I'm your humble host, Eze. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the show. All over the world, people live in different apartment buildings. Some are luxurious, some are mid-range, and some are in the ghetto. In these apartment buildings, things tend to break down, right? Like the AC unit or the stove or the plumbing stops working or whatever it may be. Apartment buildings do break down. We all know this. And when they break down, what do? You call the building manager to fix it. That's the standard. That's the way it is all over the world, right? Now, as a man, what happens when you come home from work and your wife is angry and just furious? You ask her, what happened, baby? And she tells you, the maintenance man just walked in on her naked. He didn't knock at the door. He just used his master key and walked in while she was just at the house, chilling, naked. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is what happened to this couple. I'm going to play this clip so we can see how the husband handled the situation. Shout out to Kevin 2000 for sending this clip. Let's get to it.
What is y'all protocol when sending maintenance to someone's house? Like, do you guys call, hey, we'll be there at this time? Do you send out an email, hey, be aware of maintenance coming again tomorrow between the hours of 12 and 2 p.m.? Do you shoot me a text message?
Well, since you put in a work order and it was almost kind of like a rush work order, we wanted to make sure that we got him over here to do everything. And usually when our residents put in work orders and it's like immediate assistance, we just hurry up and try to send them. So I didn't send out a memo or anything like that because for these type of circumstances, I usually don't. And nothing crazy usually happens, so I didn't send it.
So you said you don't send out memos for these type of circumstances. Well, what type of circumstances do you guys send out memos? Because
maybe like on occasions where we're gonna have someone working on the building, or there are gonna be people like pest control coming to your house. You would know in advance from that. But in this case, you had us put in the work order for you because there was something that we had to personally come to for only your home individually. So that's why I didn't give a notice.
Aside from my AC still not working, you know what I'm saying?
Fix that.
Your maintenance guy.
It's been a while.
Yes, it's been over.
It's it definitely has.
And I'm not even trying to be loud with you or anything like that.
I understand.
But
Gentlemen, I have to be honest. The husband is handling this situation better than I expected, because if it was me, I'm not sure how I will handle this. So I gotta give it to this brother. He's pretty calm. Let's go. If you made it this far, hit that like button and leave a comment to trigger YouTube's algorithm. I'm a new channel and I'm trying to grow. So hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to let you know every time I upload a new video.
the reason I'm so pissed off is because this guy, your maintenance man, he just walked into my house. You didn't knock on my door. No.
You did not. Don't you sit here and lie. No, you did not. You did not knock.
Okay, so I will say that
Wait, let me finish. I'm sorry, let me finish.
No, that's fine.
You know, so he walks up into my house. My wife said that she was on the bed naked. She's at home being comfortable, and she should be able to have that luxury of just being naked if she wants to. And then for you to just come in, my wife said you sat at that door for at least 3 seconds and was just looking, bro. Yes.
Yes, you were. Yes, you were. When you came in,
my wife won't lie about nothing.
I'm not going to sit here and lie. You did. You were sitting there looking at me.
You got to do better.
Okay, so the protocol for him as a maintenance worker is he's supposed to do a courtesy knock. So he should have knocked a few times.
Yeah, he should have, but he didn't.
I mean, that didn't happen. Look at this man.
It didn't.
Or he should have been yelling maintenance.
Well, he didn't do that, and we have the proof.
Look at this.
Okay.
While he's lying, saying that
this is you knocking, right? You just put the keys in my shit, bro.
Did you hear any type of
like
knock?
you just hear or something.
He just came in, literally.
Then when he walked outside, now he want to scream maintenance. What the fuck?
Exactly. But you said that you knocked, right?
Okay, so that's something that I'm going to have to deal with.
You talking about your fault, bro? Listen,
it's not your fault.
Hold on, wait. You talking about that's your fault, bro? I got 2 daughters, bro, who under 3 years old. You know what I'm saying? Like, you should feel me as a man, bro, about my kids, homie. Like, y'all gotta do better. Y'all not guaranteeing any kind of safety, any kind of security or anything.
Hold on, but so moving forward, because honestly, he needs to be fired.
I understand.
You keep saying that you need to be fired.
That's why I'm here.
Hey, bro,
Okay,
point, bro,
no.
I don't even want you talking to my wife, bro. Just zip your mouth.
Yeah, honestly, he needs to be fired because if he did this to me, he could do it to any other woman that's in this residence. He made me feel very uncomfortable. You're weird and you're a creep.
And with the husband, dude just need to stand there and be quiet. Don't say one word, because anything he says will only make the situation worse. You guys can hear it in the husband's voice. He's getting aggravated. Can you blame him? Can anyone blame him? Hell no. The maintenance guy just need to shut the fuck up and just stand there. Damn creep.
After watching the video, now I have to take the next steps with him, and that's going to be something that we discuss in our office, he and I.
Oh.
I will handle this. I want to know how we can resolve this.
Okay, so let's suggesting on how we resolve this.
Okay.
This is how we resolve this. We call, as in the leasing office, you call your maintenance man, and you say, hey, you're going to go to that house from between 12:31, and then you send me a memo saying, hey, my maintenance man is going to be here such and such time. You can't just pop up. Like,
Absolutely.
what's going on?
Who does that?
Imagine me being in the house, right?
Okay.
I'm watching TV or I got headphones in because I listen to music time to time. If I'm sitting on the road, I see a man, I pull a gun out and shoot him, then what? Is that going to be my fault?
I understand, sir, but you did put a work order in, so you know at some point in time we're going to
Come on, man. You come out with excuses.
No,
baby.
y'all need to give you need to give notices or something. Y'all can't just say that you put in a work order and they show up.
It didn't matter. We were trying to come as soon as possible. You already said your air conditioning has been out for over a week.
It has.
And mind you,
It has.
I've been living over here like 5 months. I still ain't got mailbox key.
Not at all.
I gotta go outside and catch the mailman every time he bring in mail just to get my shit.
And I
Exactly.
did my part. I did my
Come on,
part.
man.
I did my part. There's companies that I work with, and maybe we have to change some things. But right now, I want to focus on this because I want to smooth this over.
Well, you guys are very unprofessional. There's no
At this
smoothing.
point, we're working on a civil suit because my wife
Like
feels
that.
like this house, bro. You were eyeing her down, bro.
Bro, yes. So you
I made a mistake.
and that's not.
Hey, you
Okay,
coming
calm down. That was no mistake. You know exactly what you were doing. No, y'all are unprofessional.
Ladies and gentlemen, do you guys think the manager is actually making excuses? I understand. She doesn't want a lawsuit. But come on, my dear sister. Don't make excuses for that creeper. Me personally, I don't get it. I don't understand why they're doing all that talking. Fire the dude in front of us right now. And let's keep it pushing. All this back and forth is unnecessary. But what do you guys think? At the end of the day, I'm riding with the husband. He handled this like a champion. You understand what I'm saying? He stayed calm and didn't get rowdy, which I'm sure that would have definitely led to a physical confrontation. And we all know what that means. One black man is gonna get hurt and the other black man go to jail. So the husband did good. He did well. Anyway, guys, for the fellas, what would you do if that was your wife? And for you ladies, what would you do if you are the building manager? How would you ladies handle this situation? Now, what do you guys think? Do you agree or do you disagree? Either way, leave your comments below so we can start this conversation. Until the next video, stay safe in the streets. Later. That will wrap it up for today's episode. And thank you for joining me. So please, leave a comment below. If you agree, if you disagree, it doesn't matter. Leave the comment below. And also, you tell me what you want me to cover. You tell me what you want me to discuss and what you want me to react to, okay? And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on the next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's rebuild the Black nuclear family. It is needed, okay? God bless.